Good morning, students. Today we are studying chapter number 3, The Little Girl, written by Catherine Manson. Students, if we talk about the story, it is the story about a little girl named Kezia. His father was a very big man and he used to scare her with his appearance. Kezia's father was a figure of fear for her. She avoided him. Before going to work, he would come to her. He would give her a casual kiss. But when he went, Kezia would feel a great relief. How Kezia comes before father in the evening. This is the situation. In the evening, Kezia's father came home. Kezia would hear his loud voice calling for tea. Kezia's mother would ask Kezia to be a good girl to take off father's shoes. When she would take off his shoes, he would ask if she had been a good girl that day, but she was terrified of him. She would stutter due to fear. She, in fact, would try to speak, but she would hesitate due to fear. For Kezia, her father was like a giant. On a Sunday afternoon, grandmother asked Kezia to have a nice talk with father and mother. But Kezia always found mother reading and father snoring. Snoring, that's you can say karate lena. So she waited for father. She continued staring at father. She waited till he awoke. When he actually awoke, he asked her not to stare. She looked like an owl. One day, Kezia's grandmother told her that her father's birthday was next week. She suggested to Kezia to make him a pincushion of yellow silk. So Kezia made a pincushion for father. She needed something to stuff the pincushion. So she gathered a few sheets of fine paper and put them into it. These sheets belonged to her father. They had an important speech which was to be delivered. That night there was a hue and cry in the house. Father's great speech for the Port Authority had been lost. Rooms were searched. Servants were questioned. Father went to Kezia's room. He asked her about them. Kezia didn't tell a lie. She told him that she had torn those papers. Father asked Kezia to come to the drawing room. He was very angry. He was pacing to and fro. Kezia was greatly frightened. She asked Kezia if she had done that. She whispered. Father asked mother to go to Kezia's room and fetch those torn papers. Meanwhile, he asked Kezia to hold out her hands. He beat her on her hands. He did so to teach her not to touch anything that didn't belong to her. Kezia heard this. She replied that what she did was for his birthday. Kezia was beaten on her hands. Hours later, her grandmother had wrapped Kezia in a shawl. She clung to her when she was being rocked in the rocking chair. She sobbed, "What did God make fathers for?" The McDonalds lived next door to Kezia's house. Actually, friends, here we are talking about the neighbors of Kezia, whose name was Mr. McDonald. They have 5 children. Father played with the children. Kezia thought that there were different fathers. One day, Kezia's mother fell ill. She had to be hospitalized. Kezia's grandmother was with her. Kezia was all alone with Alice, the cook. Kezia asked Alice what would happen if she had a nightmare. Nightmare, that means the bad dreams that we see in the night. बुरे सपने जो रात में देखते हैं. But Alice asked her to sleep. She also asked her not to scream and not to wake up her poor father. But Kezia had a nightmare. She saw the butcher with a knife and a rope. उसने एक कसाई को चाकू और रस्से के साथ रात के सपने में देखा. He came near Kezia, but she couldn't move. She screamed and woke up her father. Father came to her bed. He asked her what was the matter. After hearing her, he took Kezia with him. Suddenly, Kezia changed opinion about father. Kezia's father lay down beside her. Kezia crept close to him. He asked Kezia to rub her feet against his legs to get them warm. Kezia felt a funny thing. She thought that father was harder than grandmother, but it was nice hardness. Every day he had to work harder. He got too tired to be a Mr. McDonald. That means we can say केजिया के फादर कितना भी कोशिश कर लें वो मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड की तरह बन नहीं पाते थे केजिया के लिए. Like you can say a loving father. And she had torn up his writing. She stared. Father asked what was the matter. Kezia told him that her head was on his heart. She told him that he had a big heart. It was beating. स्टूडेंट्स, इस कहानी में केजिया नाम की एक छोटी सी लड़की होती है जो कि इस कहानी की मेन कैरेक्टर है. केजिया का पिता एक भयानक चेहरे वाला आदमी है जो एक दैत्य के समान दिखता है. वो केजिया के लिए डरा हुआ सपने जैसा है. वह रोज़ाना ऑफिस जाता है केजिया से मिल कर के, और जब तक वो घर में मौजूद रहता है केजिया डरती रहती है. केजिया के पिता के ऑफिस जाने के बाद से केजिया को राहत महसूस होता है. जब कभी केजिया का पिता शाम को घर आता है, उसकी दादी माँ केजिया से उसके माँ बाप के पास बैठने के लिए कहती हैं, मगर केजिया डर करके अपने माँ बाप के पास पहुँचती है. उस दौरान सोफे पर केजिया का पिता खर्राटे ले रहा होता है और केजिया का माँ पेपर पढ़ रही होती है. केजिया थोड़ा वेट करती है और बाद में अपने पिता के जूते निकालती है और धीरे धीरे उसकी बातों का जवाब देती है. एक दिन ऐसा होता है कि केजिया की दादी माँ केजिया के पिता के लिए केजिया से एक पिन कुशन बनाने को कहती है, क्योंकि अगले हफ्ते उसके पिता का बर्थडे होता है. पिन कुशन बनाने के लिए केजिया को एक अच्छी वस्तुओं की आवश्यकता होती है जो थोड़े फटे पुराने हों. भूलवश केजिया अपने पिता के स्पीच के पेपर को फाड़ करके पिन कुशन बना लेती है. केजिया का पिता शाम को आता है और अपना स्पीच का पेपर नहीं पाता है. नौकरों से क्वेश्चन किए जाते हैं और सबसे पूछा जाता है, किसी के पास कोई जवाब नहीं होता है. बाद में केजिया से ये प्रश्न पूछा जाता है तो केजिया सारी सच्चाई बताती है. बाद में पिता उसे बहुत डांटता है. इतना होने के बाद केजिया अपने पिता के बारे में बहुत बुरा सोचती है. वो भगवान से पूछती है कि हे भगवान, तुमने पिता क्यों बनाया. उसके पड़ोस में मैकडोनाल्ड फैमिली रहती है, जिसके हेड का नाम है मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड. मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड के 5 बच्चे हैं और मिस्टर मैकडोनाल्ड उसके साथ खेलते रहते हैं. ये देख कर केजिया बहुत ही खुश होती है. एक दिन केजिया की माँ बीमार पड़ जाती है और उसे हॉस्पिटलाइज होना पड़ता है. रात में केजिया अपने पिता और दादी माँ के साथ अकेले होती है और साथ में रसोइया एलिस होती है. केजिया को अकेले सोने में बहुत ही डर लगता है. वो बताती है कि उसे रात के बुरे स्वप्न, जिसे नाइटमेयर कहते हैं, का आभास होता है. लेकिन उसकी दादी माँ और एलिस समझाती हैं कि वह डरेगी नहीं और चिल्लाएगी नहीं और अपने पापा को जगाएगी नहीं. परंतु रात में केजिया स्वप्न देखती है कि एक कसाई एक हथियार, चाकू और रस्सा लिए हुए केजिया की तरफ बढ़ रहा है. केजिया डर के मारे चिल्लाती है और पापा को अपने जगा देती है. पापा के पूछता है कि क्या होता है. केजिया अपने सपने के बारे में बताती है. फिर उसके पश्चात केजिया का पिता केजिया को अपने साथ ले जाकर के सोता है। तब केजिया को एहसास होता है कि उसका पिता उतना बुरा नहीं जितना वो सोचा करती थी। केजिया अपना सर पिता के हृदय के पास ले जाती है और हृदय की धड़कनों को सुनती है। उसे आभास होता है कि ये धड़कन उतने बुरे नहीं हैं जितना बुरा उसने सोचा था। उसे प्रेम की अनुभूति होती है।
Students, now I would like to assign you some questions as homework. Question number 1. Why was Kezia scared of her father? Question number 2. Why did Kezia tear up the pages of her father's speech? Question number 3. How was Kezia's father's behavior? Question number 4. How did Kezia's thinking of her father change? And the last question, you need to find out the meaning of following words like stutter, snore, on the brink of, gravely, scrap, instant, tuck up and snuggle. Hope students you can attend the questions properly. See you next video.